Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about the importance of testing when it comes to Facebook ads for your business. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm logged into one of the ad accounts that I manage. And I always talk about hashtag ABT, always be testing. And you'll see why. I'm going to show you behind the scene, the data, and this is why you should always be testing your Facebook ad campaigns. Now, look at this. So we have two different campaigns, and basically we're promoting the same thing. It's Black Friday coming up. So we're promoting Black Friday. It's a Black Friday campaign for one of our clients. And we have two different campaigns running: video campaign and then the carousels. Carousels are different images, collection of images that you use. But look at this right here. I want to point this out. So first of all, and we'll go right inside these campaigns and show you everything. But the main thing I want to point out is, let's see if I can make it bigger. Looks like I cannot, but right here. So with the video campaign, so we launched the video campaign first. Let's see the launch date. It was launched on November 2nd, so just for like a week ago. Look at how much we're paying for the landing page view. 62 cents per landing page view. And this is not per click, this is per landing page view. So someone who clicks and then goes to the landing page and actually let it load. Now, then we launched Carousel Ads just a couple of days ago, and look at this. So 30 cents per landing page view. So if we had not tested between videos and carousels, guess what? We would not have found out that we're actually paying twice as much, actually more than double, with the video ad. How crazy is that? So, and actually this doesn't happen with every single campaign. So in some campaigns and for some ad accounts, I do see video outperforming ads and also carousels. But in some cases like this one, we're seeing carousels outperforming the video ad. But we would not have known this had we not tested this. So let's actually go inside this campaign. I want to show you what this looks like, and how it's everything else is similar. And obviously we're gonna we'll either pause the video campaign or we'll take the budget from video campaign and move the budget to what's working. That's always what I preach and teach people, that you test in the beginning of your campaign, maybe spend 10% or 20% of your budget on the testing, and once you know based on the data what's working, you can double down on what's working and pause what's not, or reduce your budget. So here's the video campaign right here, and let me see if I can expand this so you can see. Yep, so here you go. This is what the video campaign looks like on the mobile and on the desktop. There you go. So when people click on, let's see if I'm able to click on, not right now. So this is the landing page, the Black November deal right here. And we're using the same landing page on the carousel ads. When people click on this, they go to that page and it has all the appliances and electronics that we have on sale for Black November. So that's the video ad. Now let's go back. I want to go back to my carousel ad. So inside there, let's go inside carousel, and we're testing two different carousel, but it's very similar between those two. That's another thing. We wanted to test two different types of carousel ads, but it's very similar, 28 cents per landing page and then 33 cents. So between carousel, it's very similar, but when we compare it with video ad, it's half the price. So let's go inside one of these. I want to show you what this looks like. I'm going to click on edit, and then let this thing load, and here you go. Let's do let's see if I can expand this, or we can just open view on desktop newsfeed, because I want to show you what this ad looks like, and it's exactly almost same. Actually, we're using the same text too, so the only difference is use of video versus. All right, let's scroll down. Here is the ad right here. This is the carousel ad, and it's the same Black November, same URL. When people click on this, they go to the exact same place as the video ad right here. So what we wanted to test was just the video versus the carousels. And look at this. So here are different images of products that we're using. right here. How cool is that? So let's go back. So this is why, and obviously like I said, we launched the video about a week ago, and we launched the carousel. Let me show you. I think just a couple of days ago, so 2-3 days ago right here. So it's very, very new, but still that's enough data for us to make our decision. So this is why it's super important to test your Facebook ad campaigns before you double down, before you spend a lot of money. Obviously, in our case, we're going to reduce the budget of video ad and then put more budget towards the traffic, towards the carousel campaign, because that's working for us. We're getting better results. We're getting better ROI with those ad campaigns. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.